How to play Ludo game in Messenger with Facebook friends. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about playing Ludo in Facebook Messenger app with your Facebook friends. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your Facebook Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the chat section, go ahead and open the chat where you want to play Ludo. Now tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and there you will see three different options, that is files, play games, and location. Tap on play games. This will show you numerous and a number of games to play on Messenger with your friends. There are more interesting games like Words with Friends, the other word games, pool, basketball fever, quiz planet, mini golf, Ava Wing, chest quest, which is incredible. From the game section that appears, simply go ahead and search for Ludo. And once you find the game, simply tap on it. And once the game is loaded, you can go ahead and play with your friends on Messenger and have fun. So this is exactly how you can play games on Messenger with your friends. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.